Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, this is Redmi 9T Pro. Okay, recently the screen is completely cracked inside, so that is no more functional. As you can see, the edge also broken. So what are you going to do today in this video? We'll replace the screen. Here is the replacement. Okay, it shows in the bottom there is one connector which is next to the charging port. It goes, we'll see in a minute. And then we do have the tools that we need to perform this repair. Hair dryer first of all, and obviously the screwdriver, Phillips tweezer, glue, and double-sided tape plus plastic card. This is for removing the back battery cover. So let's start. So first we're gonna take the battery back out. Alright, so first what are you going to do? We're going to little bit pry it with this opening flat tool and then plastic card. As you can see, this is cutting the glue so smoothly and easily. It's easy now. Before it get any dust, keep it in a clean place. So now the actual LCD connector is right here, and then via the secondary cable it goes to the main board. So we need to open two parts. First this one, this cover, and then that one. This one we are removing just for the safety reason, because the battery is still connected, might be there is power. Okay, so take your Phillips screwdriver, open up all the screws that you can see just to remove that one. Okay, so I'm going to start from this side. Alright, so first this part, as you can see, this one removed easily. Disconnect the battery before you touch anything else. If you have plastic, anything like that, to pry it is much better, but I'm going to use my fingertips. Okay, and remove that one as well if you want to, and then this part. Yeah, so now, as you can see, the connector is here. That is the actual connector for the LCD. Via the secondary cable it goes to the motherboard. So we don't need to remove the battery or anything else, thanks to Redmi, because of that reason. Otherwise removing a battery is a kind of a war. Alright, then remove it. And now we're going to apply some heat just to melt down the adhesive underneath the flex. I think that should be much more easier now to remove it. Okay, so leave the fabric tape in here. We need it later on. Okay, so the most hardest job is done. Now we're going to remove that one because of the screen panel already broken, so we don't have to care that much to save it because this is damaged anyway. So now apply some heat before you pull this out. And that should be enough now. Okay, so don't pull the mid frame, the plastic bezel that you can see, because this is no part of the screen. Okay, so we're going to make a gap in between this and that, and try to insert this plastic card in there. Okay, it goes like that, so easy and simple. If you do have one, safety goggle would be better, because you never know, this broken glass could be a potential hazard, you know, and damage your eyes, so very careful. Easily comes out. I'm gonna use this just to cut the adhesive. Okay, so that's the actual screen. Comes with very fine and hairline bezel, similar to Google Pixel XO. Alright, that's fine. Now we're going to give it a clean, because as you can see, there is the glass chunk still there. You know, if you don't give it a clean, that would be a problem for next time. Okay. So I'm going to apply some heat. If there is anything else, would come out. You know, the sharp edge of the tweezer, I'm going to clean it like that, so if anything, include the old adhesive will come out. That is most important, to clean it up properly. And that is the filter, don't forget to put it back again. So that would be fine. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0 star hash. Delete. Back. Everything seems fine. Let me turn it off. So. Now we're gonna put the glue and close it back. Plus I want to put a tape in the middle, so it's going to be stick properly, but that's not a good idea, because if something goes wrong, it's going to be very difficult to pull this off. I don't have any choice. I'm going to do that. This. Oh no. So now what? I'm gonna put this back into the place that way. Turning on. So that's how we replace the screen for Redmi 90. Still, if you do have any question, make sure you leave it in the comment section, and I hope I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye for now. Thank you.